Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video by yours truly, India Taylor. As y'all can see by the title and by the hairstyle, today we have a wig install. This wig was sent to me today by Luvmehair. They sent me this 7x6 closure unit. It's an ombre color, as y'all can see. It's brown, and then it goes into these kind of blonde light brown highlights. Again, 7x6 closure, y'all see the style I did with this? This is a closure, and it's giving very much frontal, but it's a closure. Would y'all believe me if I said the wig came with these curls? Yeah, the wig came pre-everything. It came pre-curled, pre-plucked, ready to put on. It was pre-parted and everything, but I did the style. This wig is definitely one if you're a beginner, if you're one of them people who just likes to plop on a wig and go on about your day. This is the one for you. I did lay my lace with some spray, nothing serious. But if you're a glueless girl and you just like to, like I said, plop your wigs on and go, this is also the wig for you. It's super snug on my head. It doesn't feel like it's about to fall off. I could have definitely gone glueless, but I just like the security of glue. But yeah, I just love wigs that don't take too much. This wig literally took like less than 45 minutes to put on, with the laying the lace and the adding the baby hairs and all that. But yes, I forgot to mention that it's also pre-bleached. You literally have to do nothing to this wig. I added makeup in my cap and that's it. I didn't bleach it, I didn't pluck it, I didn't do anything. I literally just popped it on my head and styled it. If you guys want to see how I installed this wig and see exactly what it looks like when it came fresh out the pack, continue watching, because I'm not lying to y'all when I said I did nothing to it. But yeah, continue watching to see how I installed this wig and see how I styled this wig as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the install, y'all. All right, let's get straight into it. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. So this is her. Y'all, these wig companies are getting better and better by the day, okay? So Luvmehair sent me this wig. As you can see, it's pre-everything. It's pre-curled, it's pre-plucked, it's a closure. We have adjustable bands in here, and also this material that makes it stick better in the back. It's pre-parted, but we are gonna do a different style today. This wig is pre-everything, okay? It's just ready for you to plop on your head. Really, I could just plop it on, cut the lace, and go on about my day. But you know, I'm just, me personally, I gotta style my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. But this wig is literally pre-everything. This is for beginners. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I install her. Like, look at this part. I did put makeup in there, as y'all can see, but that's literally the only thing I've done so far, and that's the only thing I'm going to do. So, install it. But yeah, let's see what she's looking like, see what she's giving just when I put her on. All right, y'all, this is what the wig looks like when I just literally plopped it on my head. Tell me that don't look good. I mean, I will obviously comb out the curls and stuff. I'm not gonna do that just yet, but tell me that don't look good. And it's tight. I could literally cut the lace and keep it like this, but like I said, I'm gonna do my whole install because I'm just one of those girls. But if you're one of the girls that likes a glueless, you could do that. And y'all, look at the parting space. Look how far that goes back from the hairline. Like, what? And the curls look pretty solid. But okay, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just install it, let y'all watch me install it and see the style I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna come back when I'm done, but this should literally be quick because all I have to do is lay the lace, make some edges, comb her out, and style her. Like, So yeah, keep watching. I'll check back in with y'all in a second.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I kind of had like a mishap in the middle of this because I really wanted to do a different style. I wanted to do the style where it's a braid in the middle, 2 braids on the side, and it comes into one half up, half down. But that just didn't work out. It was too much. I wasn't getting the part straight, and I was like, whatever, I'm gonna just do one in the middle and 2 little pigtails. But either way, I think it's really cute. This is what we came up with. As y'all can see, I brushed through the curls quite a bit doing this whole hairstyle because I was going through it a little bit. But I just took some mousse and I ran it through the curls, combed it back up, and the curls are still intact, still very much there, still very much luscious, still very much looking good. So it's bomb. I didn't have to curl it myself at all. I have my curling iron here just in case, and I didn't have to touch anything up. The curls still look very good. So that's the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. I may or may not include the part where I did my edges because my hair kind of looked a mess, when I was doing it. But for the edges, just in case I don't put it in there, all I did was, again, add some mousse. I cut them to my liking, swooped them with my little edge brush, and the trick is I added this liquid mousse spritz and I tied it down, and then took my scarf off, combed them through to get that kind of fluffy look. They don't look as fluffy right now, but I could comb them out some more and make them look fluffy. And I never really do this middle edge, but I did it today for kind of like a natural messy look. I think it looks really cute, and I think I look really girly, and yeah. But that is this hairstyle, you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you to LUVME HAIR for sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.